Here at the tractor shop again today, looking at their latest piece of work, the mighty 4020 diesel, John Deere. Console, probably a 69 or 70 model, not sure of that. But as usual, they have gone over this thing with a fine-tooth comb and it's ready to roll. Just a few little more details and they'll be ready to deliver it. The tractor was a game changer, as you probably all know who are watching this. I think it was first made in 1960 as a 4010 and then kept in production really for almost 10 years. Just an iconic tractor, a tractor that is still useful today on the farm. This one I think has somewhere around 95 horsepower and can still do a fair amount of good work for you. It's got the synchro shift in it, I believe. Oh, I think it's a standard shift. Diesel, and just a really beautiful tractor. I was telling somebody, I have a John Deere 730 made in 1959, a great tractor, but a two-cylinder. Can you imagine the next year, if you had bought that tractor in 59, seeing this on the lot, this 4010, you'd have been in shock really as to what you could have bought if you'd waited a year later. Anyway, the tractor is, as I said, a fairly modern tractor. Has of course, power takeoff, dual remotes, 3-point hitch. The console thing again is a very desirable feature. Very comfortable tractor to drive, great power steering. So again, I strongly recommend these people. The tractor shop here in West Elkton, Ohio. If you want a tractor restored to really better than new, both mechanically and paint and appearance-wise, this is the place to go. And they put them back the way they should have been, the way they came out of the factory. That's another thing that I like. No real modifications. And they go into a great deal of detail and research as to how to get that done. Anyway, I'll jump on the tractor here and start it up for you. They'll let me do that and just let you hear it run a little bit. Again, I thank you for watching my videos and God bless you.